Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Idyllwild, California. I'm up here for a couple of days, thought I'd show you around. As I record this, it is New Year's Eve. It's in the 50s, it's supposed to rain later on, so let's get this walk started before the rain happens. Again, if it's your first time here, please like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And for now, let's go check out Idyllwild. A lot of wood carvings here. This art piece actually won Gorilla Glue. Gorilla Glue. Sorry, I just woke up. Gorilla Glue contest for using the most glue for a project. It's actually 3 trees, and they glued them together. Gorilla Glue. I'm going to get I'm going to say it, a piping hot beverage right now. This is my first vlog after Adam the Woo passed away, and I won't get into much. I didn't know him. I got a chance to meet him once. A nice guy. But yeah, so let's go get a cup of coffee for Adam. So I was going to get a cup of coffee, but the line is crazy right now. There are 3 coffee places in town, and I know one of them is closed during the week, so I'll get coffee later. This is a little park, and all these trees are decorated for Christmas. They're all have lights on them. So this is the main downtown area, Village Center. It's where all the shops are. It is a very cute little town. If you don't know, it's about 2.5 hours to 3 hours away from Los Angeles. And you actually forget you're in California for a while. It's a mile elevation. They do get snow, but it's very sporadic. This place here yesterday had a line out the door for their ice cream. I'll try them today. This is the Rustic Movie Theater. They have one movie playing at a time. Right now it's obviously Zootopia. Tonight they're going to have karaoke to ring in the new year. Ooh, let's go get some coffee. Piping hot beverage applied. Here's to you, Adam. They have these deer all over the city. There's 22 of them, each by a different artist, different theme. You get a map at the visitor center. You'll notice a lot of dogs in Idyllwild. It's a very pet-friendly town. Every hotel and cabin we looked at had pet-friendly options. They even have pet packs you can buy with like dog bowl and toy from the hotel. So yeah, dogs everywhere. If you do come to town, which I recommend, there are bathrooms clean, open every day. Water station right next to the Idyllwild Visitor Center. Pretty much center of town. A lot of murals in this town. There are also, I think there's one bakery for every person in the town. Again, dogs everywhere. Dogs and bakeries and murals. It's a cute little nursery they have here at the Idyllwild Gardens. Actually, go look at some more murals back here. Sunflower Bakery. Another deer sighting. More murals. I'll meet you on the astral plane. They do get snow here, but it's very, what's the word? Doesn't happen, it's sporadic. It snows from October, November to January, February, but not always the whole time. Again, right now we are December 31st, no snow. Sometimes there's a lot of snow, sometimes no snow. Snows every year a little bit, but there's not a strict snow season. There's no skiing here. The town is known for its hiking, mountain climbing, mountain biking, and of course, dogs. Pet boutique and bakery, dogs and bakery. Got some more deers here. Of course, each deer has who the artist is and a sponsor if there was one. And a gallery here. Mountain Mike's custom leather. It's pretty cool. Another mural. We love drugs, but do not sell them. We're back at the Rustic Theater. Just want to point out another mural. They have cool murals here. This mural is kind of cool. Stormtrooper on a speeder bike. And that's cool because I'm actually wearing, you can't see it because it's cold, I'm wearing an indoor shirt I got for Christmas from my daughter. Thank you, Maddie. All right. So yeah, this is a really tiny theater. Right now they're open at 5. And of course tonight they have their karaoke countdown. Karaoke on the big screen. You see a lot of bears here. Legend has it that the very last grizzly bear in California was here and was killed near our Idyllwild. And I want to say Garner Valley? I don't know, maybe. We'll see. Will we see? We won't see. But yeah. So there are bears everywhere. Yesterday, in this very spot right here, I got to meet the mayor of Idyllwild, Max. If you don't know, Idyllwild has a dog for a mayor. It has for, I think, since 2012. It's always a golden retriever named Max. Right now it's Max the Third. I took some video and I will put it in here if I remember. Fingers crossed. Video now. In case you're wondering why there's a crowd, that is the mayor of Idyllwild. Not the guy next to the dog. The dog itself is the mayor, elected every year.
Not a phone in sight.
Here he is giving a speech. Did I remember? Maybe. But yeah, so they have a dog named Max because it's unincorporated. It's not a city, so they really don't need a governing body. So they just have a mayor who's a dog. And he comes out and he does photo opportunities. Yesterday he was giving out his calendar, so I have a Max calendar. Maybe I'll put a picture right here. Did I? I don't know. Yeah, that's Max. So, we got more stuff here. More cool murals. More bear stuff. And they look like they're all by the same person. Dutch 66. Those are cool murals. Let's go walk into the park. Starting to rain more now. Might have to cut this guy short. Got some more deer. Santa's sleigh. Again, all these trees right here are covered in Christmas lights. I'll try to get some video and put it in. Will I though? I don't know. I'll try to remember. So yeah, it's a small, cute town. From what I heard, it's very slow on the weekdays. Today is Wednesday. It gets really packed on the weekends. I'll be going here for breakfast after the shoot. I'll put a picture in. No, I'll try to remember. I don't know. We have some more deer. Looks like a unicorn deer. And a little coyote. See, it's a cute little town. Again, you could probably make a day trip out of it. I'm gonna die right now on camera. But yeah, we came up for a couple days, get away from the hustle bustle, and found a nice place to stay. You can rent cabins up here. get hotel rooms, Airbnbs, whatever you want. A little hardware store. Village Market. This is their grocery store. Been there a couple times now to get stuff. Giant hardware store. Oh, up here, that rock up there. You can see it way up there. See if I can try it again. Big rock up there. People climb that rock. So yeah, I would say if you're in the LA area, Palm Springs, San Diego, come on up to Idyllwild, spend some time, have some fun. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry, it's just been a weird day. Yeah, you probably didn't notice I didn't shoot a vlog last week. I have not missed a vlog in over 2 years, missed a week, but with Adam the Woo's passing, it just, I don't know, didn't feel like it. If you don't know Adam, he was a vlogger. He vlogged every day, didn't miss a day. No, pretty much Disney stuff. I found him, he does a lot of road trips, and I just love following the guy. Again, nice guy. I got the chance to meet him once at Disneyland, and he passed away last week unexpectedly. So yeah, so I'm trying to get morbid, but yeah, Adam will miss you, and everybody else. We'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.